this video, I will show you how to transfer Bitcoin from Coinbase Wallet over to Coinbase. So first of all, we're going to open our Coinbase app, and then from here, we're going to click on transfer at the bottom right. And now just go ahead and click on receive crypto from another wallet. And once you are in here, you just need to select Bitcoin again, and then select the Bitcoin network because that is the default one. And I'm just always going with Bitcoin because this is the default, as I already said. And if you do not match the networks on Coinbase Wallet and Coinbase, then your crypto might get lost. So I would say go with default, and it takes around 17 minutes. So let's go ahead and click on this. And now copy this wallet address to our clipboard. And now we're going to paste this in Coinbase Wallet. So let's open that now. So from our Coinbase Wallet, we are going to click on this transfer icon at the bottom. And then we're going to click on send at the bottom right. And now we first need to fill in the amount that we want to transfer. So let's say that I'm going to transfer everything I have in Bitcoin. Then I'm just going to click on Bitcoin. And you can also select a different asset, but as I already said, I'm going with Bitcoin. So now I'm going to click on send at the bottom right. And then here you need to fill in an address. So go ahead and click on paste. And now select your wallet just down below in here. Once you have that done, you need to verify the full address. So if it looks good, go ahead and click on yes. Once you are in this screen, you will see the amount of Bitcoin that you are transferring. And you also see the wallet again. You see the network fee and the total cost. So everything is all right. So I'm just going to click on confirm. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, we have our confirmation that we have successfully sent our Bitcoin amount. So now I'm going to click on done, and I'm going to open Coinbase to see if it's already there.